Hi there, Lisa Casey here. We are on Quizizz, and this is how you can create your own. So I've logged in with Clever, and now I'm going to come to this big purple button for Create, and we will create a quiz. I'll give it a name and pick my subject. And now I'm able to add lots of different kinds of questions. So this is a really big benefit of Quizizz, where Kahoot only has multiple choice or true and false. We have all of these different options. So I'm going to create a new question, and we'll start with multiple choice. But once you're in this question, you can click up here and change it to any different kind that you want to. So as you're building, you might decide you're creating the wrong kind of question, and you can fix it here. So multiple choice has one correct answer. Check boxes check all that apply, so multiple correct answers. Fill in the blank, students have to type in their own answer. And these top three are all graded. So you select the correct answer and students know whether they got it right or wrong. The bottom two options, open-ended questions and poll, those are ungraded, so they appear in your reports like students got them correct. Really great way to collect data on students, even if it's not graded. And no matter what kind of question you're picking, this building box over here pretty much looks the same. So we'll type out our question, and we'll type out our answers. We can add an option if we want to. And we'll see on this side, this is the student view. So as I populate this should change to reflect what the students will see. Now this is a pretty good question for multiple choice. There's only one correct answer. So I better select that answer. It turns green. And up here we have the option, if I'm looking for more complex equations, I can add those here. I can also add an image to my question, either with a link or uploading it. And as we go through, just like Kahoot and with many other tech tools, there's an upgrade that you have available to you. We all have the free version. If you're looking to upgrade, go for it. You can do really cool things like upload your audio or record video here. But I think it's a great tool to use with the free version anyway. For each of your answers, you can also add math equations or images. And if you click on that image button, it tells you can only add an image or text, one or the other, not both. So we've got our answers. We've got the correct answer selected. Down here, we will see the timer button, so we can select how long we want to give our students for this question. And then when we are ready, we can save. And we built our first question. So we can build our quiz using all of these different options. We have fill in the blank, where we can type the correct answer. Our students type the answer, but we can deem it correct or not. So if we do 1 + 3 equals, the correct answer is 4, but students might also type 4, or maybe they spell it wrong. And all of those we want to accept as correct. So we can add and change these questions as we need to. We can have them open-ended. We can make them polls, and we'll just kind of keep building our quiz as it goes. Over here, you can see your quiz quality score. Mine's not very good because I don't have images. I don't have enough questions, but you can keep building as you go. Up here, this teleport, this is really cool because you can search for questions that you want to use. So this searches all the other public quizzes. And let's say I want to do 9 + 1. I'm going to go ahead and add that question, and it will populate over here and build it in my own. So I can search other people's quizzes and add whatever I want to into my own quiz. Once we've got enough questions to call it a quiz, then we're going to make sure we have an image here for our quiz. If you want, we're going to select a language that we can change if we need to, and we'll pick our grade levels. Public means that anybody can see it, so it can be searchable. People can use my questions, so I'm going to leave it as public. And then I'm going to click Done. And it's as easy as that. You just created your first quiz from scratch. You can pull specific questions from other quizzes. You can build your own, and you have lots of different options of how you want to collect data from your students. All of the quizzes that you create and save will come into your library. So you can see we just made this one, I made another one, and you can start building collections as well. So you can create collections for ELA or math or whatever it might be. You can create different collections and start piecing your quizzes into those folders. So you can stay a little bit more organized in your library, because Quizizz is a wonderful tool, easy to build, easy to edit these quizzes. And in the next video, I will show you how to share them. Thank you very much for watching.